So your design challenge when you're making your replica is to meet some criteria. These materials have a high shipping score because they're nice and light. These materials are pretty heavy, and so they don't get as many points. Talk about if any of the things on your list have a high or low shipping score.
Limestone is 4.
Were you able to carve into the limestone? Look, what does it say? Look at your data.
Yeah, it said 4. We could carve into
So you could carve into it. And how about the shipping score? Does it have a high or low or in the middle?
It's a 4.
Why do you think foam has the highest one?
Oh, I know because it's more light and it doesn't cost so much.
It's light, so it's not going to cost as much.
This is really hard.
We don't want it because it can break easily.
Oh, see, those are good things to think about.